In this video, I'm going to give a lecture on digital to analog converters. Three types are there: weighted resistor, R to R ladder network, resistor string method, etc. What is a DAC? Digital to analog converter converts a digital input signal into an analog output signal. Digital input signal means a combination of bits and combination of bits 0 and 1 in terms of power 2. The analog output signal will be a single output available. There are three types of DACs available. First one is weighted resistor DAC. Second one is R to R ladder network. Third one is resistor string method. The first method, weighted resistor DAC. See the diagram of op-amp given here, digital to analog converter. Positive terminal is grounded. Negative terminal is used for applying the input voltage. So this op-amp is in inverting configuration. Since positive terminal is grounded, it is in inverting configuration. RF is the feedback resistor, and these are the input resistors we are having in multiple number. V0 is the output voltage available. So this resistor is 2 power 0 R, 2 power 1 R, 2 square R. B2, B1 and B0. B2 is MSB, B0 is LSB. We are having three switches here. When I connect the switch here, if it is logic 1 means it will be connected to minus VR. Otherwise, if it will be logic 0, connecting to the ground. So this is a 3-bit binary weighted resistor DAC. The nodal equations are available here, but before that, this positive terminal is grounded. This point is called virtual ground. Based upon the ideal concept of op-amp, the voltage between the input and the output terminal will be 0. Since positive terminal is grounded, 0 voltage, here also 0 voltage is available. So we are applying KCL at this junction, which are called nodal equation. 0 minus of minus VR becomes 0 plus VR V2 divided by 2 naught R. This is the first case. Second case, 0 plus VR V1 divided by 2 power 1 R plus 0 plus VR V0 divided by 2 square R plus 0 minus V0. 0 is here, V0 is here. 0 minus V0 divided by RF equal to 0. After doing this manipulation, we are getting V0 equal to VR RF divided by R into B2 divided by 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. This becomes B2 plus B1 divided by 2 plus B0 divided by 4. Substituting R equal to 2 RF in the above equation, we are able to get V0 equal to VR by 2 into B2 by 1 plus B1 by 2 plus B0 by 4. The above equation represent output voltage equation for a 3-bit binary weighted resistor DAC. Advantages of this method: very simple, fast conversion is available. Disadvantages: when I increase the number of bits in the digital input, there will be some difference in the resistance value corresponding to LSB and MSB will be increasing. That means resistance values will not be uniform when I increase the number of bits in the digital input. Moreover, it is very difficult to design more accurate resistors for the increasing the number of bits. Second method called R to R ladder DAC. Why it is called R to R ladder DAC means we are using R to R resistors in the ladder network to convert the digital signal into analog signal. That is why this method is called R to R ladder DAC. Positive terminal is grounded. Input is applied to the negative terminal. R to R for the first bit, R to R for the second bit. And again we are having R2R here. Here also R2R feedback and the input resistor is available. So this op-amp operates under inverting configuration. So here also 3 bits are given. B2 is MSB, B1 is LSB, minus VR is given. If it is logic 1 means it will be connected to minus VR. If it is logic 0 means it will be connected to ground. In weighted resistor and 2R R2R ladder network, the current flowing through the resistor is always changed because of the changing input binary bit 0 and 1. So power dissipation causes heating, which creates non-linearity in the DAC. So this problem can be totally avoided by using inverter R2R ladder DAC as shown in figure 5.4. Inverted R2R ladder DAC is given here. Here positive terminal is grounded. Input is supplied to the negative terminal. MSP and LSP are totally interchanged. Again, we are using R and 2R resistors in this ladder network. So this comes in the inverted form. Advantages. It uses only 2 values of the resistors R and 2R. Very easy to select and design more accurate resistor. Disadvantages. Resistors used in the network have wide range of value. Very difficult to ensure both accuracy and stability for the resistors value. Moreover, it is very difficult to match the temperature coefficient of all the resistors. Third method called resistor string method. String means a group. A group of resistors will be used for converting digital signal into analog signal. This method is called resistor string DAC. Look at figure number 5.5, decoder method of DAC. A combination of digital input is given here, given to a decoder, and the output of decoder is given to a switching matrix. In the switching matrix only a number of resistors will be used. Reference voltage is given here, positive terminal and negative terminal is available. From the switching matrix, the switching matrix contains a group of resistors and an op-amp which gives the analog output. Look at this figure, resistor string DAC. So whatever I told in the block diagram of figure 5.5 is elaborated here. A string of resistors has been used along with the switches. Reference voltage is given here. Each and every input corresponds to a set of binary combination starting from 0 to 7. And this is connected to a voltage follower. You know very well, voltage follower means output voltage follows the input voltage under all circumstances is called voltage follower. And this one is given to the positive terminal. Negative terminal is connected to the output. That means input voltage will be available as output voltage here. Especially this voltage follower is used as a buffer. Buffer amplification factor is nothing but 1. Initially, the group of digital input signal will be given to the decoder. From the decoder will be able to control this switch matrix, and from the switch matrix, the output will be available to the op-amp, which in turn available at the output terminal. So what are the advantages and the disadvantages of this resistor string DAC? Advantages means it is having superior linearity, guaranteed monotonicity. Main disadvantages, exponentially increasing the circuit scale depending upon the resolution. For example, if you go for 3-bit operation, 8 resistors and a switch will be required. 4-bit operation, 16 resistors and 1 switch will be required. For a 10-bit operation, 1024 resistors and a switch will be required. So these are the 3 types of digital to analog converter. So in this video lecture, you have come across what is meant by DAC. What are the types of DAC? 3 types of DAC we have seen. First one, weighted resistor DAC. Second, R2R ladder DAC. Third, resistor sting DAC. Thank you.